Jai student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter emerging mode of business. The process of online buying and selling online transaction. Online transaction a password protected time sensitive payment method on the internet that facilitate the process transaction related data between the buyer and seller. The process involved in online transaction for buyer and seller are different. First, suffering the internet for relevant website. The first step online transaction by buyer in searching for required product and service through the relevant website set up by seller. Seller set up their product that can make it easier for buyer to check, search, choose appropriately. According the buyer can check, search and choose such website depending upon their requirement either for the specialized product or multiple product, and this is known as internet suffering that can be time consuming process. Next, searching for desired product. Every website provide various product that categorize in different sections. These sections are lead but to different page and display features characteristic of various product service of interest listed stored by the seller. These features include the basic description of the product and service, pricing, availability in different color, shape, quantity, etc., discount or warranty, and days taken to deliver, and so on. Buyer can search across required desired product and service based on the information provided by the seller, select them for the purchase. Next, registration of a customer information. First time online shopper and buyer are supposed to register or relevant website to avail the service from the relevant seller. They need to create the login password to personalize the relationship between the customer and e-business. The password is required to maintain secrecy and privacy of the customer choice and pattern. Buyer and customer also need to provide personal detail like address, contact detail where the product service can be accordingly delivered. This information is stored and maintained by the seller for future transaction. Next, placing an order. Following registration, buyer and customer need to confirm their selection of product and can continue shopping on the website to their satisfaction. Buyer customer can reject certain selected product prior to placing the order, and for confirmation selected product customer can place order on the website. The indicate order is stored by the seller on the relevant website, which act as the for the next step involving payment by the customer. Next, payment mechanism. Buyer and customer will ask to make payment for the order placed on website. They will be provided the option by making payment either by credit card, debit card, internet banking or prepaid card, etc. Indian e-business also provide a unique feature of accepting cash on delivery in case customer do not have credit and debit card or internet banking. Next, delivery and receiving product. Website of e-business notified appropriate date and time when the product will received by the buyer and customer. They also provide tracking features for customer to confirm the delivery process. When product are received by the buyer, customer the order placed by the customer in sign off and receive notification sent to the customer via email or SMS. In case of unavailability of product within appropriate duration, suggest the e-business cancel order for the refund the complete amount to the customer. And last, feedback. Online transaction generally follow a feedback process at every step where buyer express their view about the search, purchase, delivery and the consumption of product. These views are posted a review on the website against the product and purchase and rate positively or negative. The purpose of feedback process is to ensure that website enable both buyer and seller to obtain the consume product suitable, leading to the satisfaction. Seller according strive toward the boosting their product and suitable. Buyer and seller review their experience with the product for future customer and buyer of the same product. Thank you.